Okay, so this is Connor's 328, Tuesday afternoon. We realized we had an engine problem. Tuesday evening we stripped the engine. Wednesday we waited for parts. Connor's car, obviously my guys have been working really hard. Munir's been doing his magic. After practice the engine came out straight that night, stripped it. Yesterday cleaned everything, put new pistons in, put it back together. We did no head work as there was no time. Great session at the dyno. With Connor's 328, it's the most powerful 2.8 M52 we've seen yet.